kids, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Bowser from Mario Brothers. Whew, he's a fun one. All right, here we go. So to start with, we're gonna draw a letter C, and then that C is gonna come back around, and then we're gonna draw another letter C that's backwards, and then we're gonna draw a U that comes right in here like that, and then we're gonna draw a line coming down and back up with a little E. And then we're gonna come in here and we're gonna draw a little J coming back up. And then we've got some little teethers for him. Little teethers. There we go. And then he's got some little nose hole suggestions. There. All right, then we're gonna draw a little bitty letter C and another letter C that's backwards. We're gonna put a little black dot here with a little light in it. And we're gonna draw a bigger letter C. And we're gonna connect it with a bigger dot, like that. Then we're gonna draw kind of like a little curvy line that comes up, zigzag, zigzag down, curvy line that comes up, zigzag, zigzag down and back. And then we're gonna draw a line in between those little brows. And then we're gonna draw a little zigzag, zigzag coming across. And it looks like we've got a horn here that's like a letter V. Another horn over here that's like a letter V, only it's back, so you can't see it too good. And we'll finish these zigzags coming around. Put a little curvy line at the end of the horn. And then we have a little curvy line right here, and there's his little cute face. All right, now we're gonna draw his arm. So we're gonna come out, come down. We have a line coming up. We have a little C, and it's gonna come around, back with another little C, and a dot in the middle. And then it's gonna come down. This one's gonna come down a little more. Okay, now it's gonna come across, down, back, across, dot in the middle, C, C, and then we've got his hand. So we're gonna come down, make a V on the end of it for his claw, come back, come down, like that. And then here's his claws. There's his one hand. All right, now we're gonna do his belly. So we're gonna come down out of his mouth and come across. Then we're gonna come down and across. And this one's gonna be closer, down and across, down and across. We're gonna put a little curvy line here. This one's gonna come down and across. And there is his belly. Then we're gonna put his leg on. So we're gonna come down, and then we're gonna come across. Then we're gonna come down here, and we're gonna come across like this, down and around. Then we're gonna do some little curvy lines. Then from those curvy lines, we're gonna draw some little monster toes. Little monster toes like these, perfect. And then over here, we're gonna have his hand coming out. So it's gonna come out, down, back in, triangle monster claw. Then we're gonna come out. And it's gonna come around, monster claws. There we go. And then let's see, what are we missing? Oh yeah, his other leg. Around, there's his heel. Curve, another curve. There's his hip. And here's another monster claw. There we go, very nice. And then we've got his tail. Starts there, comes out here, comes back around and up. And what monster tail is complete without some little, you know, little monstery stuff. All right, now we just have his little pointy things, spikies. All right, so we're gonna start over here, do kind of a curvy line, not super straight, and a V. Then we're gonna come here, curvy line, and a V. Then we're gonna come here, just a V, just a V, and another V. And we're gonna draw a line coming up with another V, a line coming up with another V, a line coming up with another V, up, and there's another V. And there we have it. Oh my heavens, we're done. Let's see, it looks like there's another line right here, like so. And there we have it, Bowser from Mario Brothers. Let's put him on the ground. He can't fly, I don't think. Maybe he can fly, I'm not sure. All right. Hey, if you enjoyed this drawing, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.